Lane Turo University. My name's Conrad Layn. So if the car market is down, right, that's a good time to start buying cars, right? Or start getting financing for cars or a lease. Car prices are down, similar to real estate. When the prices are down, that's a buyer's time. When it's a seller's point is when the prices are too high. So if the prices are down, this is a time to buy. Simple. Understand that. If it's a time to buy, then buy. Or if you can afford it. Don't put too much that you can't handle. But if it's the car prices are down, start considering ways to try to refinance your car. Try to figure ways to get lower payments, lower APR. It's a buyer's time. So even though maybe you bought the car at a high buyer time where prices were too high and it's due to a lot of inflation and depreciation, and also a lot of the fact that maybe not enough cars in the market. Now maybe there's your chance to maybe refinance. There's your chance to get a lower payment, lower APR possibly. That's what you want to consider. If now it on the flip side, if it's a high time where prices are through the roof, this is a seller's point. Isn't a good time to buy, but if you have to buy, you have to buy. But if we are gonna in this moment, this is a time where you might want to exit the Turo strategy. Sorry, exit the Turo platform. You might want to sell your car for profit because it's a high time. Now you can get more for your car than what you would have got maybe a year ago. This might be a good time to sell, and that's about it. But that's all I'm saying. I'm not telling you what to do, what not to do. I'm just teaching you how to actually understand and evaluate if you're in a high time or low time. And once you figure that out, figure out if you want to sell the car for an exit strategy or to buy yourself into another car, or if you want to sell if it's a low time and also exit out, but understand that you're getting a lower rate, or buy more cars and acquire more cars. That's up to you, really. And how you kind of figure this out is you start seeing how prices go up. If prices start going up in your market and people are willing to pay more to rent your car, typically speaking, from what I've seen from being on the platform for over 2 years, is I've seen that means that's a time that the cars or prices are too high. When people could buy their own car, typically speaking, they're not really going to buy rent a car or share a car on Turo. They rather just have their own car typically. When the cars are too expensive, either because people can't buy in or people don't want to spend that much money for a car, they'll typically rent a car. Interesting to understand those trends. Follow what I'm saying and understand, but do your own due diligence. I'm not your tax agent, not your to give you any type of advice, to share my experiences as a car host. And subscribe to the channel if you find this video of value. I'm waiting for a guest right now, hanging out. It's raining here. As you see, I'm just waiting for a guest hanging out. Like, subscribe, share, Carlin out. Peace.